Alright, welcome back to another ComputerCraft episode. Today we're here with something like a little 2D engine I made. Not impressive, actually probably terrible. So you have this is the player. There is, of course, moving around. There's the map, which is just, these are walls in this empty space. There's collision, and the map is scalable. You can put stuff inside of the map. It's a map where you want, yeah, there's, like I said, collision, detection, there's tile sets that I've idiotically not shown here. But there are different like sprites for the walls and stuff, or you can make like stuff you can walk through. Sprites. There's nothing really cool about that. And then we have the one I've been working on, which is color. It looks the same till I go up here and I have some color that sticks around. That's not too impressive, but I mean, I think it's pretty impressive. But so I just have it to where it makes it white, orange, and magenta. Oh yeah, and WASD controls it. It's pretty simple. And this also has collision because it is a wall. That's that. Yeah, so why don't I explain some of this boring code, terrible code. So this is the black and white one without color, because color is a little more ahead, but the basic idea is the same. So with this, we have the map, which is just ones and zeros. 1 and zeros, they correspond to the tile set. So if you look at 1, you'll find the wall. There's your little square. It's 5 by 5. Mappa is the map's dimensions, so it's 5. Oh, what the frick did I do? There. It is 5 by 5. Home position is this one, otherwise known as 0, 0 on the map. So it's just mapper 1, which is this, and mapper 2 multiplied, which is the area, whatever it's called in math, I forgot. I don't care, but we have, so that's all the way down here, and it's subtracted by mappa minus 1, so 4, which is 1, 2, 3, 4. Wow, it's that one. 0, 0. There's that tile set. The player is the U, stored in a separate thing. So yeah, this is a player position, which is 1, 1 at the start. Sleep, wait. This is the get position, which takes X and Y and finds what point in the, so it's, here, let me just go through it. So it starts the P for position, starts at home position, and it adds whatever X you're looking for. So if we're looking for 1, 1, we go home position plus 1. There we go. Then it takes that and it subtracts it by mappa 1, which is 5, times Y. So it goes, if we're going for 1, 1, that's 1Y. We go 1, 2, 3. Wait, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There you go. 1, 1, 0, 1. So this is 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1. I don't know why I'm explaining that so much, but that's that. That's set cursor position, and this is display. This is what actually shows the map. So we start off with X and Y, that is drawing. So X starts at 0, boop, and Y starts up here. So that's map of 2, -1. I don't know why. I wrote this code a while ago and just fixed it up recently to do cool stuff, so no idea what that does. That's like 4 months ago. Don't know what that does. Why there's a -1. But it works, so I don't care. So, while true, it just does this for a while until we break it. So, this is done for like every one of these, to put it on the screen. So, at first, it sets the cursor position to whatever one of these it's on. So, currently, when it starts up, it'll be up here. That's X plus 1, so that it's actually on the screen, because 0 is off, the screen is not on. 19 is the vertical length of the screen, that's how many pixels. We subtract it by Y, so if we have 0, it'll be at the very bottom. That's great. So we do that. If get position, which is, this, XY, so this one, if it's on the thing where the player is, just get position PPOS, just player position, then we are going to draw the player. This could be print, but I don't know, I just had IO right, just because. If it's not the player position, then just write IO right tile set. So we look at the tile set and we look map get position XY. So we find out which one of the XY position on this map. We get a value, so let's say 1 1, that's 0. Or if we're up here, it's 1. Okay, we start up here, it's 1. We get 1, and we look in tile set, the first position, there it is, so we draw that. And that's the end of that. And this is so that if X is all the way over here, and Y is 0, so we're at the bottom and we're right at the end, then we end this true, and we just go back to whatever is after that. So that just ends. If Y is not 0, and it's just this, so it's just at the end, let's say like here, sets X at 0, boop, Y equals Y minus 1, so we go down. Boom. And then we do it over again. Otherwise, we just move on to the next one. So if we're here, just go there. There, 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 boom. And so on, you get it. That's all that does. It's not too complicated. It's not even impressive. It's probably terrible coding, but yeah. This I wrote like a year ago in school on my Chromebook in, I think it was science. We don't use it, so I'm not going to explain it. I don't even think I could explain it, but basically it just does stuff. Checks if you're in a box. I don't know. It's just there. This unused code. This is the movement code, the actual stuff that makes you move. So let's just look at move up. So it checks if map, it just checks above you. If it's 0, then it adds 1 to your Y. That's all it does. And all these other things do the same. Not complicated. And this is just a gameplay loop. Probably terrible coding again, but forever it's just going to display it. Set cursor position 1 1 so that your input is all the way at the top. This just clears your, I don't know, not professional, terrible. Let's say it again. Terrible could have done it better. Too lazy to try. Also, terrible variable naming. So, you could tell I did not care. We just take the user's input, we make it all capital letters, and then we call what function is. So W's move up, and and then this is the position command, which I don't think I showed you, and then exit game. So if we're just gonna do this, that's what position does. It just prints that and exit game. It's what it sounds like. That's how that is. All color game does is it has a separate map with a bunch of values. It's like a separate tile set, but for colors. This is white, this is orange, and this is magenta. This is just like for 0. It's the same thing as white. And this is whatever color the player will be, which is white. That's all it is. It's a separate map. And in display, if it's the player, it says that the color is the player color, which is white or 1. And also, elsewise, it looks at the colors. It does the same thing as the tiles, but it looks at here, and then here, and sets a color, and then it draws the tile. Yeah, that's all that does. And then we have Event Planner, fancy name. All it does is check if you're in one of these positions and which one, and it changes the color corresponding. So like 7, 8, 9, those are the positions. Yeah, I don't know. But the end result is this. And I guess that's all that really matters, right? But to show you that I can, we're gonna add some stuff, and then we're gonna go over here. I'm gonna add 2. Oh, it doesn't matter. Color game. Oh, that is an error. That's not working. Why is it not? Oh, I know why that's. Sorry. I'm an idiot. There you go. Color game. Boom. See, the color does not work. I know it's not working. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's 5. It's 18, 19. Sorry. Click game. Now, see, it works. I just had to change some things. But it's now 1Y up, and we have this little bracket looking thing down here, which is supposed to be a door. But if I just do some extra coding on the screen here, just where is it? Again, probably not the way you're supposed to do it, but I can't be like bothered, so color game, and now you can't go through it. You get the point. If I actually cared, it would work. There you go. Why doesn't this work though? Why doesn't this work? It does not matter. Anyways, that is the demonstration of my crappy code. So that's the end of the video. How long did I make this video? 14 minutes. I hope you enjoyed my code rant about the simplest thing ever. You get the point. That's it. Well, can't be anything but words. That's it. That's all it is. Movement position is X 1 1. That's it. I hope you enjoyed that rant about my code. So yeah, subscribe or something. Bye.